Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make Spanish chicken. That's going to be seasoned with sofrito. If you go over and follow one of my other videos, I show you how to make sofrito from scratch. And so that's what we're going to be doing on the stove, okay? Alright, let's get started. Okay, so our seasoning is black pepper, garlic, adobo, sazon, and sofrito. Drop that. Okay, so sofrito I made in another video. You can check it out. It's garlic, green pepper. You can use any kind of pepper, whether it's red, green, or whatever color, and cilantro. Okay, all right, so let's do our seasoning first. And on the stove here I have some oil heating up, some grapeseed oil. You can use whatever oil you have. Okay, so we're going to be putting the adobo on. Oh goodness, the whole top came off. That's not good. Okay, 1 second. I have to rinse the chicken off, else that'll be too salty. 1 second. Okay, let's start that again. I should have had a real oops moment for that one, right? Okay, so we're going to add adobo. I might cut that out the video, we'll see. Ground garlic. Black pepper. Let me cut this off in case it's getting too hot on me. Sazon. Okay, so we're going to turn it over and repeat the process. Black pepper, garlic, adobo, and sazon. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna, let me turn the camera to the stove. Alright, so now we're going to add our chicken to the frying pan. And what we're going to do is brown it on both sides. And then we're going to add the sofrito and a little water to let it cook like that, okay? Turn our fire back on. So we're just trying to get a little color on both sides. No, not yet. Okay, let's see. No. Okay, we're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes on that side, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's turn it over. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. A nice brown color. Maybe not brown, but a crispy color. Like, because we have the saffron on there, so it's got like an orange tint from the saffron. Okay, so we're going to let that cook on that side, and then we're going to add our sofrito and some water, and we're going to let that steam down. Okay, 1 second. We'll be back when that cooks for 5 minutes. Okay, so our chicken have cooked on both sides for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add some water. Remember, when you add water to oil, you're going to get some boiling up. So you want to stand back when you do this. Okay. So I added about 6 ounces of water. And now I'm going to add the sofrito. And that flavor from that sofrito, oh, it's going to make that chicken taste so good. Alright, we're going to put a cover on. We're going to let that cook for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it over and see what we're going to do next. Okay? Alright, we'll be right back. Oh, why don't I give you the word of the day? I know you want to hear the word of the day, so I'm going to give it to you, just in case you need it today, okay? Alright, maybe you're feeling sad today. It's a day where maybe nobody came over or didn't call you, your phone hardly ever rang, or anything like that. Okay, well, try to help yourself, okay? And maybe you can put a TV show on, or the radio on. You know, sometimes a lot of noise, like the TV and the radio at the same time, really fills that void, okay? And if you can, get out. You know, go out and sit in the park, okay? Because I don't want you feeling lonely, alright? Because loneliness is sometimes in our mind, because really you have everything to make you happy, because you make you happy. Okay? Alright. Make yourself happy. Get out that mood, okay? And get in a happy mood, okay? Alright. So that's the word of the day. Come out the loneliness and make yourself happy. Okay? Alright. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. Alright. Thanks. Okay. So our chicken's been cooking about 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh, the whole house smells so good. Okay, I'm just going to turn it over. Our water is definitely getting low, and you want that. It's going to develop like a thickness at the bottom, but you don't want it to the point where it's going to burn. So we're going to put a cup, like 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Just enough to gather up that sofrito. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's put another couple of tablespoons full of water in there. It's thickening up pretty quick. Okay, I'm going to turn my stove down to number 2. That's pretty low, okay? You do the same. Okay, we're going to give that another 5 minutes. Okay, so let's take a temperature and see where we stand. Oh, it smells good. Remember, chicken wants to be 165, okay? Okay, we're good. We're 167. All right, so let me get some rice and plate up. I'll be right back. Okay, thanks for hanging around. Hit the like button if you like it. Share the video. So last week I showed you how to make Spanish beans and rice. Today I showed you how to make Spanish chicken. So you can see I'm on a line of Spanish food for you to be able to cook, okay? All right, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.